Welcome to the ultimate forestry showdown. We're pitting the biggest, fastest, and most powerful machines against each other in a battle for logging supremacy. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Whoa! Did you see that? Talk about a close call. It really highlights the importance of safety gear.
Ooh. Holy shit.
Wow, that's a hefty stump. Now, with a machine that size and price tag, I'd expect it to chew through that thing like butter. See, folks? Mulching this right back into the soil? That's sustainable forestry in action. Sadly, most folks just want to torch it all. This takes a bit longer, sure, but it's a heck of a lot better for the long-term health of the forest. Imagine tackling those tough wood-splitting jobs with ease. That's the Woodcracker W1000 promise. It's incredibly durable, versatile, and user-friendly. Plus, the Hardock steel construction provides more power efficiency and less friction. It's a win-win. To ensure the long-term health of redwood forests, strategic thinning is crucial. This allows younger, more vigorous trees to flourish. Listen up, guys. Stump removal just got a whole lot easier. The Savannah 1720. Stump puller is a total beast. It yanks those stumps out with no problem. And when you team it up with the Savannah rotary rake, boom, you're clearing land like it's nobody's business. 20 to 40 acres a day? That's insane. This is the future of land clearing, people. Imagine a wood chipper that's so powerful and efficient, it can handle any job you throw at it. That's the Petzolato PTH1200/1000M. This tracked machine features a radio-controlled drum and a massive 796 horsepower Volvo engine. But here's the kicker. No crane or hydraulic fan. That means more power to the drum, which translates to smoother, more consistent chipping. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse, look no further. These guys were definitely lucky, because not everyone can walk away from situations like these unscathed.
Look at that!
When it comes to land clearing, efficiency is key. Utilizing a mid-sized excavator, such as the Deere 135D, significantly optimizes stump removal. This strategic approach not only saves time and labor, but also adds an element of enjoyment to the process. After all, who doesn't love a bit of demolition? Woodcracker L700, the ultimate wood crushing machine. Check out this massive 700mm jaw and 22 tons of crushing force. It's made from indestructible hard-ox steel, and it's super easy to use. Get ready to experience wood processing like never before. You know, it's not just about having a beast of a truck to conquer those tough roads. It's about the person behind the wheel, their skill, their experience. Put those two together, and bam, you've got a winning combination. Barber chairs, the silent killer. Don't underestimate them. Newbie or pro, you've been warned. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Think this is just another tree felling video? Think again. This lumberjack's about to make a daring move that'll leave you speechless. Get ready for the unexpected. The bumpy road played a cruel prank on the truck, stealing one of its wheels. A heart-stopping moment, but thankfully the driver walked away with a minor injury. Lady Luck was on his side. The C63 harvester head is a powerhouse in the forest, effortlessly tackling massive trees with precision and power. Its advanced technology and robust design make it a true champion, turning challenging tasks into smooth operations. Witness the C63 in action, and you'll see forestry at its finest. Priced at approximately $75,000, it's an investment in efficiency and excellence. This is why you should remove dead and dying.
Oh, watch out. Here it goes. And it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
Cutting down trees is not a DIY job. It can be dangerous. Lucky no one got hurt. This chainsaw is a beast. The Steel MS-881, with its massive 67-inch bar, cuts through that huge log like it's nothing. 8.7 horsepower engine, sawdust flying everywhere, the smell of wood. It's impressive, no doubt about it. Behold the Jarcrack EvaPro Laricara M, a beast unleashed upon the forestry world. Mud, muck, and treacherous terrain tremble before its might. This forwarder doesn't just work, it dominates, turning logging nightmares into effortless triumphs. Engineered to conquer, it's a testament to power and precision, making every job feel like child's play. Can you believe it? This lumberjack just dominated 2 massive trees in no time flat. He makes it look so easy. For years, this stubborn stump defied the elements. Today, it faced the Oliver 1650 and Kaiser 6x6. The ground shook, roots screamed, and then...
Here it goes.
Victory. Man and machine prevailed. The Magnum LT linear carriage one is widely used in wood processing factories, especially for cutting and processing large logs. With its sturdy design and efficient operation, this dual-blade bandsaw can cut any log quickly, and its speed is truly remarkable. Tyrawidi Timber Training's newest recruit successfully felled a large mature pine exceeding 3 meters in diameter. Challenging access was overcome with skillful technique and the powerful steel 661 chainsaw equipped with a 42-inch bar. Congratulations on a job well done. These monster trucks never fail to amaze us, do they, everyone? Their length is truly impressive. Man, those guys were amazing. They were so skilled and worked together seamlessly. Seeing them in action, making sure everyone was safe and sound, was truly inspiring. It made me realize that even a task like removing a tree requires careful consideration and respect for the environment. We need to be mindful of the impact we have on nature. This Leeshide 240.8 degrees Fahrenheit with the Woody WH60-1 head presents a compelling value proposition. Its performance in the Tver region forest is notable, challenging preconceptions about Chinese excavators. The inclusion of the forest cart, full protection package, and automatic fire extinguisher mitigates risk and enhances operational efficiency. Long-term durability will be a key factor in determining its ultimate viability. It even costs you your own health. Well, every mistake comes with a financial cost, and sometimes imagine a time when the rhythmic clip-clop of horses echoed through the Montana forests, not the roar of engines. That's the magic of horse logging, a tradition that's thankfully still alive today. It reminds us of a simpler time, when people relied on their own strength and the power of these magnificent animals. It's a connection to our past that we shouldn't lose. Oh my god, look at this beast. The Scania R770 with 770 horsepower. And the drivers? Total pros. They live and breathe these trucks. You can tell they take pride in what they do. This ain't no joyride, people. It's serious business. But with a ride this sweet, who wouldn't be excited?
Und noch ein kleiner Gruß zum Abschied.
Now that's what I call high-flying delivery. Gotta hand it to them, that's one way to make an entrance. But seriously, who's in such a hurry for that lumber? Maybe they're building a treehouse for a VIP. Imagine this. You've got a mountain of wood waste. Branches, logs, you name it. Instead of it piling up and becoming a problem, you bring in the Hyzo hack. This thing makes quick work of it all. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and it even saves you money on fuel. The Hyzo hack. It's how you turn wood waste into a non-issue. Alright folks, dealing with a giant silver maple like this ain't a walk in the park. You absolutely need a pro crew with the right equipment. We're talking cranes, chippers, the whole 9 yards. Safety's paramount, and these guys have the know-how to get it done right. Ever seen a giant tree fall? You're about to. A Husqvarna 390 XPG, a style 36-foot bar, and a skilled operator are ready to make it happen. Get your popcorn ready, because this is going to be epic. OMG, this is woodworking goals. Dude's got mad skills, blending classic techniques with futuristic tools. CNC for the perfect lines, but his creativity is off the charts. The end result? A cutting board so breathtaking it's like a work of art. I wouldn't even know where to start chopping on this beauty. The Itera stump planer isn't just a tool, it's a stump annihilating beast. 3 hardened steel cutters tear through wood like butter. A replaceable pilot keeps you on target, and auger extensions let you reach those stubborn, deep-rooted stumps. Combine it with the Itera auger drive on your skid steer, and watch those stumps vanish into sawdust. Known for its durability and power, the Mack R600 is a favorite in the logging industry. Its strong engine and sturdy build make it ideal for transporting heavy loads through challenging terrains, ensuring efficient and safe delivery of timber. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Heavy hauling is a high-stakes game where experience and precision are paramount. These professionals navigate a delicate balance between power and control, ensuring every load reaches its destination safely. Timberjack and Beelin's flawless synergy conquered not just the slope, but my very soul. Skilled machine operators always create unforgettable moments.
Déjà, hein?